Each wall will have two aluminum moldings and a strip of fiberglass insulation taped to them, along with their respective screws. Remove them, then guide the female end of the second power cord behind the existing moldings and pass it over the ceiling structure. This power cord must always pass through the right-hand side of the booth, as this is where the electrical panel will be located. Attach the aluminum moldings to the top and bottom of each wall. Notice the pre-drilled holes and align each accordingly. Make sure to face the slot in the moldings upwards, in the same orientation as those which are pre-installed. Insert the fiberglass strip in between the bottom molding and the floor structure.